Hello, and welcome to this brief video in which I'm going to show you how to complete your administrative file. Let's go. You should now have received your acceptance email, and you have access to step number 9. This part focuses on your legal representatives. If you are under 18, you would have to enter your legal representative's information. Whilst, on the other hand, if you are over 18, you can write your personal information instead. Here, you would have to pick your legal representative's occupation category. And then, on the right-hand side of the screen, you will have to write in their specific title. Next step will focus on the guarantor. If you don't know what that is, this is the person that will provide TBS education with a guarantee. So basically, the person who will pay the fees if at some point during the year you can't for whatever reason. Also, I would like to emphasize that you cannot be your own guarantor. It must be a different person, so one of your relatives, for instance, should as your parents, sibling, or even a friend. Similarly to what you did in the previous part, you will need to fill out this form if you select another person. You would have to fill out this form with all your guarantor's personal information. Here, you would have to select your tuition fees payment plan among the 4 different options available here. Please note that the monthly automatic withdrawal plan is only available if you've got a European bank account. On this next page, you will have to simply upload the 2 pages of your guarantor's passport or the 2 sides of their European ID card. Here, you would have to upload your most recent diploma. In the case of the Bachelor in Management application, that would be your high school diploma. Also, if you haven't received your results yet, do not worry. You simply have to select the Results Not Received Yet option. At this point, you will have until August before classes start to upload them on the platform. And finally, on this page, you simply make sure that all the information you've entered is correct before clicking on Validate here. Your administrative file is now complete. What you've got to do next is to sign your electronic enrollment contract, and if you need any help with this, I suggest you check out our How to Sign My Contract video. All that being said, I wish you good luck at TBS Education. Bye!